Previously, we learned how to add vectors along a single axis. The following slides are examples of adding two displacements. Draw the first vector beginning at the origin with its tail at the origin. Then, draw the second vector with its tail at the tip of the first vector. Finally, draw the resultant, or the answer, from the tail of the first vector to the tip of the last. The direction of each vector matters. In this first case, the vector sum of 5 units to the east plus 2 units to the west is 3 units to the east. But how about if the vectors are along different axes? For instance, let's add vectors of the same magnitude but along different axes. What is the vector sum of 5 units east plus 2 units north? First, we draw the first vector beginning at the origin with its tail at the origin. Then, we draw the second vector with its tail at the tip of the first vector. Finally, we draw the resultant, or the answer, from the tail of the first vector to the tip of the last vector. Calculating the magnitude and direction of the resultant is an identical process to calculating the magnitude of a vector in a coordinate plane. So the magnitude of the resultant here is going to be the square root of a squared plus b squared, which is 5 squared plus 2 squared, so the square root of 29, which is about 5.4 units. The angle here, theta, is going to be the arctangent of 2 over 5, which is approximately 22 degrees. The resultant is 5.4 units in the direction of 22 degrees north of east. So 5.4 is our magnitude, and 22 degrees north of east is our direction.